Good day everyone, welcome to another series of our vlogs on practical self-defense. Today I'm going to teach you a blunt truth. Guys, hindi nyo kailangan ng black belt to learn practical self-defense. Again, you don't need a black belt to learn how to defend yourself practically. Ang principles ng practical self-defense, make use of what you have in order to defend yourself or save your life. In your case, meron tayong daliri, we can make use of our fingers, we can make use of our palms, we can make use of our elbows. Hindi mo kailangan ng training para gamitin yung mga weapons na yan. Okay? For example, etong assailant na to, inatake ako, sinasakal ako. Kunyari, this is your hands. Kunyari, sinasakal ako. Ganyan. Okay, sinasakal niya ako. I can make use, as long as my hands are free, I can defend myself from these attacks. Sinasakal ako. Yan, diba? I can make use of my fingers. Pwede ko siyang tusukin sa mata. Pwede mong tusukin sa liig. Okay? You can use your palm also. Habang sinasakal ka, pwede mong tirahin ng palms mo. Ganun. Or, pwede mong gamitin ng elbow mo. Habang sinasakal ka, you can make use of elbow. Yan. See? O habang sinasakal ka, ayaw mo ng hands. Kunyari, ayan. Makiganon ka na rin. Use your knees. Tuhugin mo sa bayag. Or you can make use of your hands. Habang sinasakal ka, use your palm. Ganyan. Tirahin mo sa bayag. See? Make use of whatever you have in order to defend yourself. It's just the practical way. You don't need martial arts training to do this. Okay? So I hope, please keep this in mind in case you encounter some situations na ganito. Nawa po nakatulong and thank you for watching.